I just want to. I just want to know if you can see that spider web. Can you see that one? Can you see that one? Can you see that one? And that one? Can you see that one? Oh my God. Why are they so thick? Why are they so thick? That's exactly why I have this net. Can you see that one? Can you see that? And that's why it does that. Can you see that? Can you see that magnet? Can you see this? Can you see this? Okay? She's not playing. So I'm getting screens for the sliding door and the back double doors as well.